Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm here with a quick video to show you how to amp up the chat visual in Power BI with this awesome message logging feature. So, first stop. We're heading straight to the user panel and navigating over to the message logging section. And check it out, there are even two tabs in this area. In the first one, you can see all the active licenses and whether the log is working. Now to show you how it works in action, I'm going to turn on the log for my development license. It is super important to have a development license, okay? Click on the magic pencil and activate the log. That's it. I can turn on the feature per license. Now, let's head to the Power BI report that's using this license. I'm going to interact with it a bit just to give it a spin. Check it out, typing a question here. And now let's just wait for the assistant to work its magic. Alright, back to the user panel. Now in the Message History tab, you can dig into all the logs. And hey, this is cool. It shows the interaction time, the user's IP, even their region. To see the messages exchanged, just click on the message icon. Look there, the message we just exchanged with the assistant. This feature is pure power, folks. Just imagine the insights that can come out of this to improve your reports. What's the most common question? Any data that people ask for but isn't in your report? And the quality of the responses, where does it stand? And that's it, guys. Fresh news, hope you all enjoy it.